supply below. So we're gonna open them and show you what we get. I think I got garden and lady meadow. But I'll see. Oh, these look so creative, guys. Okay, and with the next. Look at that! That is awesome! Yeah, this is epic. You think we got a nest? We got 2 nests. Now just the egg. I don't get the egg out. Push the back. Get the egg out. I can't even get the egg out of the box. There we go. So, first I'm going to rub his belly, and when it turns pink, he's ready to hatch. Here's the collector's guy. Okay, I'm going to do my cake first. It's turning pink a little. I know, you have to like really rub it, and then it will crack. And you have to have, your hands have to be very warm. It turned pink. I just get oh yeah, it turned pink. This is the trick. When you get it turned pink more. Okay, let's turn it even more. Hey, crack. Okay. Oh! It's pink. G. I just got in rare. Oh, that's so cute. I got an ultra rare. Same here. No, mine has glittery wings. Yeah, mine same. Look. Let's set this in the nest. Got some duck with that. Okay, I'm gonna see what this is from. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, this is mine. So mine is from. Tell me what this is. Lily's is from the ocean. The ocean is a little whale. And mine is from. Come again. I want real good rare. If I get that like puppy dog or what? This one's from the garden. I knew I had a garden. And yep, Lily's is in. Oh wait, no, Lily's is a common. Yeah, mine's a common. Same with mine. Mine's a common. I thought mine was an ultra rare. Same here. That is lame. All YouTubers get some of good ones. They always get rare ultra rares. Most YouTubers. Okay, crack it! Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing I ever saw. It's like the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. It's a common. That one's from the savannah. Just look at it. It's common, but I don't care because they're both really cute. Hers is common and it's from the jungle. See, I don't care. They're both really cute. Look, I'm gonna keep these 2 eggs so they can sit in it. No, it's not really. They're dangerous. Those are dangerous. The eggshells? Why? So we have the eggshells. Oh, then never mind, guys. Guys, this is. What? I think I got something from the. I got the meadow. Stop. I got the meadow. Mine from meadow. Oh, I thought I got an ultra rare, but I got a rare. She got a rare, Liz. It's the green porcupine. You want to trade the green porcupine? my favorite color on it, but still, it's fine.
Hey, guess what this looks like? A beauty.
Nice.
Now,
Look at how cute it is. It has like a rodent. Ew, so cute.
okay.
It's like a rodent.
Guys, this is a thing. So it's bad for you. So do not keep this. This is terrible. You can get sick. You can get...
No, it's just a bad idea.
It's very bad.
So if you have younger siblings or a dog, they can eat these and die.
Wait, if you just keep this part, you do that, right? This part, you're okay.
No, it isn't. The dog can eat it.
Well, if you have a big dog.
No. Any dog can eat it.
Well, sure, because so just don't keep this.
That's our advice.
Nope. You get this plastic out.
I just like cracking these up.
Yeah, that's
Well, once you crack it down to here, once you crack it down to here, you can keep it. But just when it's like big,
If it's huge, no. Get it really low. Right?
like this,
Yeah.
so that it's a decent size like that.
Sorry, guys.
The camera just stopped.
Always
So see
happens.
how it's a difference. Okay, I did the. Hey, you did my tooth one for me.
You're welcome.
This one I got from the garden. Okay, they can sit there nicely.
Ah.
Oh. So many edges. Here, I'll do this one for you.
No.
Yes, you did mine.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to stick the wheel in here. And this tiger's face planted right in the nest. And we have a little duck.
I'm just doing this one.
Okay, do not keep